Hi there, it's Nikos here and welcome to the 5 Steps Blueprint, the key to unlimited success in Forex trading. This workshop is for new traders as well as for experienced traders. Now, if you're new to trading, don't worry about it. You get access to my Simple Smart Startup program and you can actually prepare for this brilliant event in a really cool, relaxed and simple way. Let's get into details. I'm going to show you not only how to identify the best trading opportunities, but I will share with you, as mentioned already, my 5-step blueprint, which will help you filtering out immediately trades you shouldn't take and the ones you should actually take to maximize your profits in the long run. The best part is it's really easy to use and it will make you feel relaxed and super confident. We will go also in much detail over examples on how to work with a checklist using the classic but also the simple smart Renko strategies. Now let's go over the workshop content. Part A, high volatility versus low volatility on our trading charts. It's really important that you understand the difference. The second point, price behavior at support and resistance, super important. And number 3, time to trade or time to wait. There are times where we just have to take action, and there are times where we really sit back and enjoy the silence. Okay, we don't have to take action all the time. Now, then we take a small break, about 20 minutes, and then we start with our part B, decide and take action. When the time is right, we really take action. And the great thing is we have our blueprint which will guide us. Number 2, monitor a trade, manage the trade and analyze it using the checklist. Again, we are going to use many examples, chart examples, where I show you exactly how to do this. Number 3, we use the blueprint practically to make the right trading decisions. Again, we go over trading chart examples that I have prepared for you, so you will always be able to know when to trade, when not to trade, and how to manage your trades. Okay, and after that, when we are finished, we go into questions and answers as long as it takes. The blueprint will teach us to keep what works and open your eyes so you can learn directly from winning and losing trades. A winner is not always a wise winner. Sometimes we just get lucky, but we want to make sure that what we do isn't based on luck but on knowledge. Now, on the other hand, a losing trade is never a bad thing, not even a real loss, but a message directly to you. You have to look at it from a different perspective. There's always a great message behind a losing trade, and I will show you how to reveal and understand those hidden messages. The markets never want revenge, and they are never mad at you. It's really all in our head. If you pay attention, you will understand at once how to read a losing trade and use this information to your advantage in future. We simply filter out what's not good for us and make it a habit. Now, as a super bonus, you will get our new NTA Renko indicator worth $350 for free. That's how much we pay to actually program this. So you can start using the Renko charts without buying any software. If you think about it, I'm asking you to support this charity event with $97 only. It's a great workshop. I'm giving you a gift of $350. I think it's a pretty great deal. Okay. You will also receive all detailed explanations on how to use the Renko indicator later on, so no technical skills required. Just a side note, you can use the indicator only on MT4, and our blueprint works with Forex, it works with stocks, with indices, with metals, and you can use it profitable as a swing trader, day trader, and of course as a scalper. So it's really no-brainer. Just click below and get in now. I have only 100 seats available. In case you miss a session, no worries. Everything is recorded, so you can watch the details later on by just logging in into your members page. And the best part, with the money made from this event, we are going to support 3 different organizations of my choice. They all support children from all over the world. After joining, it should bring you to this page. In case you don't get redirected to this page, please just send us an email and we will manually add you to the list so you can receive your login details. We won't spam you in any way. We'll just use your email to send you the login details you need to actually join live and to log in to your members page. I will see you inside. Have a wonderful day and thank you again. Bye for now.